Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex scalping strategies. Click on the scalping strategies and then you will find here one video called the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today actually I'm going to scalp the gold and I'm going of course to reduce the lot size to make it 0.70. That's the highest I can go with this small account below $2,000. And right now we are waiting for the gold to reach that very strong key support level at 1741.24. Now of course you might need to watch a different video in order to understand the strategy that I'm using in this video. Let me just show it to you right here, my friends. You will need to go, actually, let me just go back. And you will need to go to playlists. And from here, on my channel, of course, from here, click Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on this one, and then you need to click on this video right here, Forex. Learn this amazing and simple strategy to scalp gold on 1 minute candles. This is very insightful video. It's gonna help you to understand this strategy, and believe me, it's a very good strategy. I believe it's the winning strategy if only you know how to apply it, and most importantly, when to apply it. I want to say something else. I'm surprised to see some people in the comments. They are actually thinking that I'm making profits every single week. They think that I am ending in profit every week and growing the account every week. That is not true. I'm here telling you that this is not correct. Some weeks actually I'm failing. Some weeks I stop trading because I feel like the market is not going on my favor. Sometimes I just don't feel like I want to trade. Sometimes also, of course, I might end in failure. So actually I have actually controlled myself to not lose more than $300 from my capital. That's gonna be the maximum of how much I can lose, because I cannot really afford higher than that. If I reach this amount of loss, then I will just wait for the next week. I will just wait for the next week to continue trading. I admit it wasn't easy at all. It was difficult, and it's not that easy at all to control your emotions. You really want to revenge. You really feel like you want to stick your teeth in this. You feel like you're sure of your abilities of trading. You're sure you can grow the account, but that is not how Forex market works. Forex markets can never ever works on the same way every week. So that's why Forex trading is really a risky business. And if you are not ready for the risks, then you have to prepare for them. You just need to prepare for them. I cannot tell you to quit, because this is just totally wrong. You have to control your emotions. You have to be sure that you are able to accept the losses and you can wait for the right time to recover them. So right now, let me just tell you about the gold. Right now, I'm on the 1 minute candle of the gold. And right now we are having here a very strong key support level at 1741.24. The market is about to reach that level. We can see that the market has made right here a strong bullish breakout candle, and we have right here a first attempt of a support, and I'm planning to place my buy order right on the second attempt of the support. I don't think that the market is going to be able to easily make a bearish breakout from that level. It was a very strong key resistance level in the past and has recently just become a support. And right now I think that the gold is actually going to continue the rise till it reaches that support at 1752. So right now I'm just waiting for the perfect entry. Just wait for another 2 pips. I think that's going to be fine if I place the buy order right away. 36 seconds for the closure of this candle, and I'm just preparing. I think I'm gonna, yes, placed, done. I placed the buy order. Fantastic. The stop loss has to be placed somewhere right here below that level of a resistance at $168. Okay, let's make almost the same as of our target. Our target, of course, since I have placed my order right here on that level of a support, then the take profit level must be placed somewhere right here at the nearest resistance to my entry. And as we can see, this is right here the nearest resistance. Now also I wanted to mention something right here. The spread, of course, because I'm using IC Markets Forex broker, which is in my opinion the best Forex broker if you are willing to make trading scalp tradings like me. Look at the spread for the gold. It's just 1 pip, which is really amazing if you want to scalp the market. Look at the spreads here. I mean, IC Markets is really providing me with the best options, and I would appreciate if you can guys support the channel by opening account in IC Markets and give it a try using the link provided in the description below this video or in the pinned comment. There is a link, of course, to open account in IC Markets. I believe it's better for you to open the account using that link, because perhaps I will make some offers for those who are actually registering under my link, but it's actually under discussion with the company. But however, I'm actually enjoying my experience with IC Markets. I have been trading with them since 2016, and I think this is even more than 6 years, and so far I really have no plans or reasons to change them to another broker. So anyway, everything is going well so far. I'm very happy about the results. I think the market is indeed gonna continue the bullish reversal. However, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. I forgot to mention something important. Someone might tell me, but Stella, we are having here already a support and a support and a support and here a support, which means you are right now on the 4th attempt, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts of a support. I tell you, no, you're wrong, because this is right here, my friends, is a false breakout. I think you should have watched the video right here, which I have uploaded, I think like last month. Let me just show it to you, which is very, very important video. It's talking about the false breakouts and how we can avoid them. Not really sure. Here it is. Just 10 days ago. Understand the real and false breakouts. This is a highly informative video with sadly barely 2,000 views, but guys, trust me, this is a very important video and it's gonna explain to you a lot about understanding support and resistance. That's the reason I consider this as a false breakout, and since we are having here a real level of a support, then the real support must be respected again right here and right there as well. So that was the reason I actually trusted the setup, and let's see now how things will be going. So anyway, let me know again, please pause the recording and I'll be back to you shortly. Okay, my friends, as you can see, the gold is rising. Oh my god, I was about to close it at $90 of profit. Holy, oh my god, it was just there. It was just there. Oh my god, it was just there. That's why I really hate making these live trading videos. I would have simply closed it, but I had to continue to resume recording. I had to open my mouth. I had to explain things. Then that happens. That happens. It was running in about 12, 13 pips of profit. Anyway, it might take a while to be in profit back, to be back in profit, but it's alright. It's gonna take a while. Anyway, let me please again pause the recording, and hopefully it's gonna be in a good profit. Alright, my friends, we are back in profit. This is the second time. This is the second time I was about to close it in profit of $80, and again it's rising. It's falling again. What's wrong with the gold today? It's really messing with me. The gold is playing brain games with me. I mean, this is unbelievable. This is just too much. I was really about to close it right now with $80 of profit, but again, the gold has done it to me. That is unbelievable. Okay, all right. I need to pause the recording, guys. I will be back to you. All right, guys, I'm gonna close it right now. Right now, $98, $98. Finally. Oh my god, finally. This was a very stressful one, and it has reached the target 3 times. Sadly, on the 3rd time I missed it. Also, I was not looking at the screen, but again, I'm happy now that I have been able to close it finally. I was really about to close it with a loss, but I have noticed right here that we are having a support trend line, which actually convinced me that I should actually keep it. Fine. 9 minutes for one trade. I mean, sorry guys, I know the video might be boring, but it is what it is. Anyway, I want now to go back to the 15-minute time frame. I want to do some scalping on the pound pairs. The pound actually seems appealing actually to be traded. I mean, as we can see right here, this is actually going to be a good trade, but we have to wait some time for it to be completed. Guys, listen to me. I know this video might be boring for you, but it's actually going to give you some ideas about how to find the perfect setups that you really need in order to gain 20 pips per day. Now, you always want to aim for the strongest support and resistance levels. For example, for the pound NZD, this is a very good setup. We're having right here a real level of a resistance, and we have right here a false breakout. If you guys have actually watched the video, if you have watched that video which I have just told you about, you might be able to catch this setup. You just have to wait for the market to rise again, retesting or revisiting the same level of the real resistance, and place your sell order right there. I don't even need to see the 4-hour time frame. Yes, indeed, I am on a resistance level, of course. 1 hour time frame, I'm also on a resistance, and we can see that the candle is gonna close after just 3 minutes, and most likely is gonna be a pin bar on the 1 hour candles. So meaning the 50-minute candles seems actually a good opportunity for the short. Now, after confirming on the 1 hour candles and the 4 hour candles that we can indeed short this pair, all I need to do is go to the 50-minute time frame and find the best entries. Now, the best entry possible is not right now. It has to be after the market rises again for about 11 pips, retesting that level of a resistance, and there, my friends, I'm going to place my sell order. So I'm going to wait for a few minutes and let's see how things will be going. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you to show you once I open this trade. Alright, my friends, I need to share with you this very interesting setup I have found for the pound AUD. Look at that. I need to place this order right now. Fantastic, fantastic. That's gonna be a lot of pips. Of course, guys, I will explain to you the reason behind this entry. Just give me a moment, please. I just need to set my take profit level to be right here, 240. Let's make it $300. I know I'm gonna close it with about like $100, but still, it's actually very appealing. So let me just go to the 1 hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, first of all, the pound is losing some strength due to the possible announcement of Mr. Johnson that he's gonna resign from his position as the Prime Minister of the UK government. So the pound is indeed losing some strength right now. Now, what we can see right here, that the market has actually been facing a previous support level and created right here a strong resistance. Now, these two candles right here on the 1 hour time frame, these two candles are very interesting. They are showing here some weakness in the pair, and most likely the pound is gonna continue the fall. In my opinion, we're having here a channel, as you can see, and it's getting more narrow, and right here, as we can see, we're having also a support trend line. Now it's getting more narrow. Now it's actually reaching what we call the bottleneck. The bottleneck means that most likely the market is eventually going to be able to make a strong breakout, and it's going to make a strong volatility, a high volatility movement, which we call the price explosion. Now, since we are actually seeing here a strong bearish movement, I think that most likely the pair is going to continue the fall. The explosion, as we call it, is going to be for the bearish. So most likely the pound AUD is actually going to continue the fall for about 80 pips, 82 pips. Now, of course, I'm aiming just 20 pips here. So let me just adjust the take profit level to make it exactly 20 pips. It's called the 20 pips a day strategy for a reason. You need actually to find these kind of setups. So again, on the 1 hour time frame, we have confirmed the direction of the market. Now, go back to the 15-minute time frame. Now, on the 15-minute time frame, we can see here something very interesting. We can see that we had 1, 2, 3. Now, we have 3 attempts of the support, and I have placed my trade right here at the 4th attempt. Now the question is, why did I place my trade on a sell, or why did I place my sell order on a support, not a resistance? Because we have right here 1, 2, 3 attempts of a resistance, and we had again 1, 2, 3 attempts of a support. Most likely the market is gonna make this strong bearish breakout instantly from that level. And if we check also the support trend lines, my friends, we're having here a support trend line just like that, as you can see, support trend line, support trend line, support trend line, and the market has made indeed the bearish breakout from that level of a support trend line. This is interesting. It means that most likely the pound AUD is actually gonna continue the fall. I don't think that the pound AUD is gonna be able to make any reversal at the moment. It might be able to do that if the 1 hour time frame was not showing a strong sign or indicating a strong fall like that. The bearish movement is way so strong on the 1 hour candle. Check this out. The candle is still falling indeed. And this is actually confirmed my theory that the pound AUD is going to continue the fall. We have of course opened the trade right here. But however, I want to check it back. The pound NZD. Pound NZD is just continue the fall without actually any chance, in my opinion, for retesting that level, and not in the near time. Anyway, things are going well so far. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you how things will be going with this trade. All right. We have spotted here another setup on the NZD CAD, which seems actually good for the short. Let me just tell you, on the 4 hour time frame, we're actually facing a strong resistance, which was previously a resistance right here at 0.80373. Now the price action, the current price action on the 4 hour time frame indicates a potential reversal. Right now here, my friends, this candle right here in the middle, this candle, actually I really trust this candle as is for me like a sign for the bearish reversal. We can see the same candle has appeared right here and right here as well. Always when you see a reversed hammer like that on a resistance level, I cannot say be sure, but I mean you can have a confidence that the market is indeed going to start a bearish reversal right on that level of a resistance. So now, after confirming that direction on the 4 hour time frame, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. All right, now on the 15-minute time frame, what we are having right here is a previous resistance, as we can see exactly right there. And now we can assume that the market is going to be respecting that level of a resistance. Fantastic. So actually the market has reached the level where I can start shorting the market. I already have 1.3 lot size on the pound AUD. So we need to be careful with our lot, with our capital. I'm going to place 0.80. 0.80 should be enough. So actually even 0.70 maybe, to have total of 2 lot size. Still that should be fine, I believe. Let me just confirm it with the resistance trend lines. And I think yes, we can actually indeed assume this was a strong resistance trend line, which has become a support trend line, but the bearish movement is actually way stronger, and that has been confirmed on the 4 hour time frame. So right now, back to the 15-minute time frame, we can actually sell the market right here. 0.80 lot size is actually better. Look at that. The market has opened the trade exactly at the current price, because I'm using again IC markets. The spread, my friends, is really nothing. It's barely 1 pip for the NZD CAD. All right, so now since I have placed my trade right here at that nearest resistance, at the new resistance, the take profit level must be placed at the nearest support to my entry. Check this out. This is right here, the nearest support to my entry, but sadly, it's not gonna give me a lot of profits, barely $78 only, which is really not worth it. It's alright, still we're actually scalping. The main purpose for you guys as a followers and you are watching the video is to learn the scalping strategy and methods that I'm using. Leave the lot size and the profits for me. This is something personal for me. I don't really want anyone to be involved in how much I'm making in Forex and how much I'm earning from my trades. This is fine for me. $76 is, by the way, good for me to make from one scalping trades. So anyway, we are having right now 2 trades. The pound AUD, which seems actually going well so far, and for the NZD CAD. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these 2 trades. And indeed, my friends, we are making a lot of profit with the pound AUD. Actually, I missed closing the trade. $116 of profit. Fantastic. I'm very happy with. Okay, good. The account right now is above $2,000. That is great. I'm very happy about it. That was really a good deal, a good trade, and that is actually showing you your ability in reading the market can actually really bring you a lot of profit. I'm very excited and I'm very happy. I'm really happy that it has really worked indeed exactly as I have predicted. Of course, it doesn't work every time. As you can see so far, the NZD CAD is still ranging, but however, it went right here on the top of the resistance at 0.80280. So we need to wait right now and see what will gonna happen with this pair. Anyway, I'm very still very happy about that trade. The pound AUD. It's not about the money. It's about when you are analyzing something and you are saying this is gonna happen because of that and just gonna go like this, and the market goes exactly as you have predicted. The pride is just high. I mean, I'm very proud of my work. And okay, what do you want, man? Am I here making an Oscar speech or something? Okay, you wanna trade? Big deal. Okay. Let's now see what will gonna happen. Let me know, please. Pause the recording and I'll be back to you to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Okay guys, as you know, sometimes we can be doing mistakes, and I believe I have fallen to one of these mistakes as usual, sadly. As we can see right here, as I told you, on the 4-hour time frame, the NZD CAD seems bearish, but however, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we are having here a support level, as we can see, at 0.80239. Check this out. This was a strong support level. This was right here a false breakout, and seems like the market right now is respecting that level of a support. So placing here a sell order was actually a mistake. I should do something, and I should accept the losses of $24. We closed this trade with $24 of loss. Anyway, let me now please bring back the lot size to 1.30, and let's try now to find another decent setup where actually we can make some good profits. I'm looking right now at the pound NZD, pound CAD, pound JPY, pound AUD. Still nothing actually. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open the next deal. So I'm actually thinking, since I have been able to figure out my mistake on the NZD CAD, why don't I place a buy order? I just need to confirm here with the support trend lines. Indeed, it seems like the market seems like it's respecting that level of a support trend line, and seems like it's going to be respecting that level. It seems like the market is indeed reversing exactly right there. And if we actually, as we can see, I closed my trade earlier as it should be. If I kept the trade running, I would have ended in profit. That's why, my friends, I'm telling you, in Forex, there is no such thing as permanent. You cannot end in profit every single day. Even if you're a professional trader, day trader, you might still be making these mistakes. Right now, I need to place the buy order right here, and I have done it. I have placed my buy order, which was earlier a sell order, and I'm going to place my stop loss exactly right there with about 12 pips, and the take profit level has to be placed for about 18 pips right here, because this is the nearest resistance to my entry. So of course I need to explain to you the reason behind this trade. Now let's pay attention right here. On the 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see clearly that the market has been creating here a strong key support level exactly at 0.80240. It became a resistance for one time only, but right on the second attempt of the resistance, the market has been able to immediately make a strong bullish breakout from that level of a resistance. And instantly what happened later is that the market has created right here a strong key support level. How do we know it's a strong key support level? Because we are seeing here a pin bar has appeared immediately after reaching that level of a support. Then what happened later is very interesting. The market has made a very strong bearish movement, followed later with another bullish movement, forming here a strong, or actually forming here a false breakout. Now, the market has reached the same level of that previous strong key support level, which was previously also a key strong support level right there. Now that level is being respected again, and most likely we can witness right here a reversal, and that support right here is going to be respected again, and the target has to be right here, the nearest resistance to our entry. So now going back to the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that the market has created right here a support. Now we can see that what we have seen here on the 1-hour time frame, we can see it now in more details on the 15-minute time frame. We can see here the single attempt of the support and the multiple attempts of the resistance, and right now I have placed my trade right here at the support number 1, the first attempt of the support. So indeed, it is actually a very trustworthy setup, and I believe the market, by the way, this is the Fibonacci 61.8. I don't even need to try it. I mean, by the naked eyes, I can tell. Let me just tell you, and I swear, guys, I did not look at this or check this before saying this. Check this out. It is indeed Fibonacci 61.8, and it's actually more accurate if I draw it right here from the lowest level of the support. It is indeed 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So we can be sure right now that most likely the market is going to continue the bullish reversal right at that level of a previous support. So let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will going to happen with this trade. Okay, my friends, so as we can see, the market right now is rising above that level of a support, and right now the account is $2,025. Actually, that's what mattered to me. I'm gonna close this trade. I'm done with it, because actually it's a mental thing. You can say this is like just in me. Actually, I really like to see this account reaching above $2,000. Once I reach like about 1,800 or 1,900, especially if it's $1,980, I really have to do something to make it 2,000. This is actually important for me. It's just like a mental, it's a brain game, if you can say so. It's just in me. And right now I can have actually more confident, continue trading with the account above $2,000. So we have made today a very good profits, I think. Of course, I'm going to resume trading, but right now, as you know, guys, it's 4 p.m. Dubai time. And this is not exactly the best time for trading. I usually avoid trading right now for about 2 hours. I will be back after like 2 hours. I'm going to continue trading. But for the meantime, I'm just happy to be able to record for you this live trading session. And I hope it can help you guys to find these good trades, the perfect setups that you are aiming for. And of course, don't forget to use IC markets. Give them a try. Trust me, you will never want to try any other broker if you have tried IC markets. And again, I would really appreciate your support to the channel if you opened account in IC markets using the link provided in the description below this video. So of course, until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.